Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can create professional AI headshots from your regular selfies in just a few simple steps. If you've ever wanted high-quality business portraits for LinkedIn, your resume, social media profiles, or your personal brand without hiring a photographer, this tool makes the entire process quick and easy. We'll be using InstaHeadshots.com, and you'll find the link in the description below. Once you click the link, create your free account and sign in. After logging in, you'll see a dashboard like this. The interface is clean, beginner-friendly, and everything is organized. So even if you're using the platform for the first time, you won't have any trouble getting started. The process is very simple. First, enter your basic information. For this demonstration, I'll type the name. Next, choose your gender from the available options, including male, female, or other. I'll select male. After that, click on the Upload Files button and upload your selfies. For the best results, upload multiple clear photos with different outfits, facial expressions, lighting conditions, and camera angles. This gives the AI more information to work with and helps it generate more realistic and diverse headshots. Once all of your photos have been uploaded successfully, simply click on the Create Headshots button. The AI will immediately begin analyzing your images and generating professional quality headshots. Depending on the number of photos you've uploaded, the processing may take a few minutes, so just wait patiently. After the processing is complete, your headshots will be ready. As you can see, the AI has generated hundreds of unique headshot variations. Each image has a different style, pose, lighting setup, outfit, or background. And here's the best part. You don't have to pay anything upfront. The AI first generates all of your headshots, and you can preview every single image for free. Only if you like the results and want to download them, do you pay. So, there's absolutely no risk in trying it. Now, let's open one of the generated headshots and take a closer look at the editing features. Inside the editor, you'll find several AI-powered customization tools that allow you to personalize your headshot without needing any photo editing skills. You can switch outfits, replace backgrounds, try different hairstyles, change your hair color, and access several other enhancement tools. Let's begin with the Switch Outfit feature. Here you'll find a wide range of professional clothing options, including light blue shirts, navy shirts, black shirts, burgundy shirts, pink shirts, and many more. Instead of taking another photo, you can instantly change your outfit with just one click. You can also choose from multiple solid color backgrounds or professional studio-style backgrounds to match your preferred look. Next, let's try the hairstyle feature. The platform offers a variety of hairstyles, including short side styles, classic cuts, crew cuts, and many other modern looks. I'll select one hairstyle and also choose the burgundy plain shirt. After clicking the Generate button, the AI starts processing the changes. Within a short time, the updated headshot is ready with the new outfit applied. In the same way, you can continue trying different hairstyles and backgrounds until you find the perfect combination. There are even more editing tools available. You can add or remove glasses, adjust your facial expression with options like a warm smile, natural smile, or subtle smile. Change your eye color, reduce wrinkles for a smoother appearance, remove jewelry, correct your eye gaze, erase unwanted objects with the magic eraser, or make specific edits using the Magic Edit feature. These AI tools give you complete control over your final headshot while keeping everything realistic and professional. Overall, InstaHeadshots.com is an excellent solution for anyone who wants professional headshots without spending time and money on a traditional photo shoot. Whether you're a student, job seeker, freelancer, business owner, or content creator, you can create studio-quality headshots from your own selfies in just a few minutes. If you'd like to try it yourself, don't forget to use my promo code AIZAYAN10 to get a 10% discount. The link is available in the description below. Give it a try and let me know your experience in the comments. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and learned something new. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI tool tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.